Okay. Hey YouTube, we're gonna be making a Nerf war video. Finally, next video, I'm gonna try to start doing daily vlogs, maybe. Just maybe. We'll have to see what I can do. Okay, so I'm gonna set the camera up somewhere, and you're gonna be able to see us shooting each other. I may switch it over to another device, so there'll be a part 1 and part 2 of this, the intro and then the actual war. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. See ya.